Good morning, students. This is B.N. Yap welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, in our previous video, we have described the causes of earthquake, and we come to know that earthquake is a disastrous natural phenomena that cause great harm to the living organism and properties. Our scientists are trying their best to find out the cause and to find out the preventive measures for earthquakes. So, our scientist has defined the terms related to earthquakes. Some of important terms related to earthquakes are defined, and today we will discuss about them. The first is seismic focus. Students, a place of origin of an earthquake inside the earth is called seismic focus. From this point, shock wave spread in all directions. The second term is epicenter. So what is epicenter? The point on the surface of the earth directly above the seismic focus is called epicenter. Students, the impact of the earthquake is usually strongest near this point. The third term is seismic zone. The wave generated inside the earth crust due to earthquake are called seismic waves or shock waves. Once again, the third term is seismic wave. The wave generated inside the earth's surface due to earthquake are called seismic waves or shock waves. The fourth point is seismograph. What it is? The instrument which detects and records the intensity of seismic wave generated by an earthquake is called seismograph. Fifth point is seismogram. Seismogram is the graphical record of the intensity of seismic wave. Seismogram is the graphical record of the intensity of the seismic wave. Sixth term is Richter scale. The intensity of magnitude of earthquake is measured in Richter scale. The Richter scale is discovered by Charles F. Richter and is a famous scale on which the magnitude of earthquake is measured. The range of Richter scale is from 0 to 10. The Richter scale is the best known scale for measuring the magnitude of earthquake. So the student, if the Richter scale If the magnitude of earthquake on Richter scale is from 0 to 3, the level of earthquake is mild, and this earthquake do not cause any damage to the property but can be recorded. If the Richter scale measure the magnitude 3.5 to 5, the earthquake is moderate, and this can cause a little harm to the properties, like windows may break, things may fall off from the shelves, etc. If the magnitude of earthquake is 5.6 to 7, this earthquake is considered to be strong and cause slight damage to the buildings and cause major damage to poorly constructed building. If the magnitude is from 7.1 to 9, the earthquake is very strong, and this earthquake can damage well-built structure and destroy them. Students, if the magnitude of the earthquake on Richter scale is from 8 to 10, it is said to be disastrous, and most structures, bridges and railway tracks may be damaged due to such disastrous earthquakes. Since earthquake is common natural phenomena that is occurring every minute all over the world, in any part of the world, earthquake is a common natural phenomena, and therefore we must know the terms related to earthquake to understand the intensity, understand the magnitude of the earthquake, and try to find out remedies, find out the measures to save our property and save our lives. Thank you. See you next day.